What's up people, it's a boy Joy here, back again with another video. So in this video, as you can see in the title, I'm gonna show you how to create a bootable drive for your Ubuntu Linux operating system. So for this you just need to download two things, that is the Ubuntu operating system, which is open source software, so it is a free to download, and we need to download a bootable software, so we will download RUFUS. So both the links will given in the description if you don't want to just search up and Google, but I will show you the steps how to get the software. So you can just hit upon the link in the description and you will good to go. So for this you just need to download two files, so we will just download that. First, on clicking the link in the description, you will go to this Ubuntu site. So, and if you are Googling, then just search up Ubuntu, and on the first link, you will go to ubuntu.com. So now, and in this part, you can go to download. So before that, also, you need to have a USB drive that is of 4 GB recommended, but it will be better if you have a 8 GB USB stick. So make sure you have that USB stick of 8 GB. It will be better if it is of 8 GB. So now here go to download, and here you can see Ubuntu desktop. So click on this part. The latest version as of now, it is that 2/2/2021, that is 2nd February of 2021. We have Ubuntu 20.04.1 LTS. So we can download this one, and now you can click on download and it will start downloading. So I will not download it, I have already downloaded it. So you can just pause and download until it is done. You can also, as it is a open source, so nobody just owns this one, so you can contribute to them, so it can get much better upgrades or stuff the developers of Ubuntu will get. So now let us go to the next software, that is the USB drive. So USB bootable USB. So to create a bootable USB software, so we are using here the RUFUS. So the link will be in the description. It will be the second link. So just click on this link, or you just go to Google and search for RUFUS. And on the first link, you go to this website. As you can see, create bootable USB drive the easy way. So we will now scroll down here, and here you can see download section. Under here the latest update till 2011-2020 is RUFUS 3.1.3. so I will download that one. It is a 1.1 MB, and I have also downloaded it already, so I will not download it again. So upon downloading both the files, now we will have to boot up the file. So now we will have to create a bootable drive. So I am using this pen drive. It is of 8 GB, so 7.38 GB is available. Make sure you back up your pen drive and format it before doing this, because it will just format it and OS will get booted up in it. So next, now click on RUFUS, open RUFUS, and here you can see RUFUS is the opening. Upon inserting your USB stick, it will show up here. You will have one option if you have one USB, so you don't have to select that one device. In the boot selection, just select as it is, that disk or ISO image, and select the file. So I have stored it in desktop. Okay, Ubuntu, you can see here Ubuntu 20.1 desktop AMD 64 disk image, and it is now been selected. So after selection, so keep the persistent partition size as usual. Partition scheme will be MBR as given. The target system will be BIOS or UEFI. Only one option is there. Format options, the name will be changed to this one, the volume level. let's keep it this name only, that Ubuntu 20.0.4.1. File system will be as default as it is, FAT32. Clutter size is 4096 bytes, that is, or 4 GB. So we will keep it as default. And in advanced option, you just keep it as simple as it is, and click on when it is ready, let's start, and click on start. And now here it is showing downloaded required. This image uses syslinux 6.0.4/219, but this application only includes the installation file for syslinux. So the new version of syslinux are not compatible with the one another, so I will just click on yes for this part and let it download that. It is downloading and it's done. So it will now write the ISO image and it is recommended, so I will keep it as okay. Yeah, it will get destroyed, the data will be get destroyed on the device. Okay, click on okay, and yeah, so it is deleting partition and now creating file system. So this will now create and copy the ISO file and create the bootable drive. So I will just skip this part or fast forward it until it is done. It will take time, depending upon your system. So yeah, now wait for it. And also not opening system, also on your pen drive, what's the read and write speed. So yeah, that's it. So I will just catch you up in the after part. So now we are done with this part, so the process is completed, and now we will just close this part application, and now we will just head on to this PC. And here you can see Ubuntu 2020 is now in booted up in this pen drive. So you can see all the files that you need, and now you are good to go to install Ubuntu onto your workstation. So yeah, that was in this video. So it will take you can see the file size, let me check, and it is, you can 2.59. A 4 GB stick is good, but it's better to get safe. So yeah, that was in this video. Hope you like this video and hope it helped, and just go and install and run Ubuntu. And that with that it, the video is done. So that's it, and I hope to see you later in later video. So bye bye, see ya, peace, and yeah, bye bye.